didn't even notice the camera stopped recording. Okay, take 2. And that's why I was trying to put the camera in a perfect spot. But to be honest, this is just a small open field with a shed in the backyard. With a mild amount of poop. Dog poop. He's turning either into a sheep or a cow. Come on, Jasper. Jasper. Usually most dogs would. And now he's following me to get the ball. What is going on with the dog? And I think we lost the ball. I'm gonna leave the camera here and see where the ball was. Found the ball. Here's how I did it. Well, looks like Jasper did it for me. I found the ball and I was gonna replay how I did it to you. Now, is my face even in the camera? I don't know, I can't really see it because I'm using a tablet, not a GoPro. I swear that dog. That dog. They must have a really upset stomach. I'm gonna end the video here.